The family-friendly guide to Centaurus A. Centaurus A, also known as NGC 5128, is one of the most fascinating objects in the night sky. It's a galaxy that has captured the attention of astronomers, storytellers, and curious minds for centuries. This guide will take you on a journey through the science, history, myths, and mysteries of Centaurus, making it a fun and educational experience for the whole family. What is Centaurus? Centaurus A is a galaxy located approximately 13 million light-years away from Earth in the constellation of Centaurus. It is one of the closest galaxies to our Milky Way and is highly visible with binoculars or a small telescope from the southern hemisphere. Here's what makes it so special. Type of galaxy. Centaurus A is a peculiar galaxy because it doesn't fit neatly into the standard categories of spiral or elliptical galaxies. It's classified as a lenticular galaxy, which means it has a disk-like structure, but lacks the well-defined spiral arms of galaxies like the Milky Way appearance. The most striking feature of Centaurus A is its dark, dusty band that stretches across its center. This band is made up of gas and dust, and it's thought to be the result of a past collision between two galaxies. Supermassive black hole. At the heart of Centaurus lies a supermassive black hole, which is millions of times more massive than our Sun. This black hole is actively consuming material, making Centaurus A radio galaxy that emits powerful jets of energy visible in radio waves, star formation. Despite its chaotic appearance, Centaurus A is a site of active star formation, particularly in its dusty regions. New stars are being born, adding to the galaxy's beauty and complexity. The science of Centaurus A. Discovery. A was first discovered in 1826 by Scottish astronomer James Dunlop. While he was working in Australia, it was later catalogued as NGC 5128 by John Herschel. Distance and size. Distance from Earth, about 13 million light. Size. Centaurus A is roughly 60,000 light-years across, making it smaller than the Milky Way but still a massive galaxy. Unique features. Radio jets. Centaurus A is one of the brightest radio sources in the sky. Its supermassive black hole emits enormous jets of particles that extend over 1 million light-years into space. Dust lane. The dark band across the galaxy is a remnant of a past collision with a smaller spiral galaxy. This collision triggered star formation and reshaped the galaxy. Observations. Centaurus A has been studied across the electromagnetic spectrum. From radio waves to observations have revealed young star clusters, glowing gas clouds, high-energy particles streaming from the black hole, myths, legends, and ancient tales. While Centaurus A is a modern astronomical discovery, the constellation of Centaurus has deep roots in mythology and storytelling. Here are some fascinating connections. The centaur in mythology. The constellation Centaurus represents a centaur, a mythical creature from Greek mythology that is half human and half horse. The most famous centaur is Chiron, known for his wisdom and teaching heroes like Hercules and Achilles. Chiron's legacy. In some stories, Chiron was placed among the stars as the constellation Centaurus. After his death, the galaxy Centaurus lies within this constellation, adding a cosmic connection to the myth. Indigenous Australian astronomy. The Aboriginal peoples of Australia have some of the oldest astronomical traditions in the world. While there's no direct record of Centaurus A in their stories, the dark dust lane of the galaxy might have been seen as a celestial river or pathway in the sky. Modern myths and pop culture. Science fiction. Centaurus A has inspired countless science fiction stories. often depicted as the home of advanced alien civilizations, or as a destination for interstellar travel, cosmic mysteries. Some people speculate that the galaxy's unique structure and powerful jets could be evidence of extraterrestrial activity. Though scientists attribute these features to natural processes, theories about Centaurus A has sparked many scientific theories and questions. Here are some of the most intriguing. Galactic collision. Astronomers believe that Centaurus' unusual appearance is the result of a collision between a large elliptical galaxy and a smaller spiral galaxy. This event created the galaxy's distinctive dust lane and triggered bursts of star formation. Black hole activity. The supermassive black hole at the center of Centaurus A is one of the most studied in the universe. Scientists are trying to understand how it produces such powerful jets, and how these jets affect the surrounding galaxy. Dark matter. Like all galaxies, Centaurus A is thought to be surrounded by a halo of dark matter. Studying its gravitational effects could help us learn more about this mysterious substance. Future of the Milky Way. Some scientists think that the collision that shaped Centaurus A might be similar to what will happen when the Milky Way collides with the Andromeda Galaxy in about 4 billion years. How to observe Centaurus A. If you live in the southern hemisphere or are visiting, you can observe Centaurus A with the following tips. Best time to view. Centaurus A is visible year-round from the southern hemisphere, but it's easiest to spot during the months of April to July. What you'll need? Binoculars. You'll see a faint, fuzzy patch. Telescope. A small telescope will reveal the galaxy's dark dust lane and bright core. Location. Find the constellation Centaurus, which is near the Southern Cross. Centaurus A is located just north of the bright star Omega Centauri. Fun facts for kids and families. Nickname Centaurus A is sometimes called the Hamburger Galaxy because its dust lane makes it look like a cosmic sandwich. Speed. The galaxy is moving toward us at about 300 kilometers per second. But don't worry, it's still millions of light years away. Star birth. The collision that created Centaurus A's dust lane also sparked the birth of millions of new stars. Alien life. While there's no evidence of life in Centaurus A, it's fun to imagine what kind of creatures might live on planets there. Conclusion. Centaurus A is a cosmic wonder that blends science, history, and imagination. Whether you're gazing at it through a telescope, learning about its supermassive black hole, or dreaming up stories about its origins, this galaxy offers something for everyone. So grab your binoculars, look up at the night sky, and let Centaurus A inspire your family's next adventure into the cosmos.